Namaste, my friends, and welcome back to another Power Up session, your series of quick 5-minute practices to boost your energy, focus the mind, and improve your overall performance. Today, we're going to be focusing on some practices to really lift our energy. We're going to wake up the spine, we're going to wake up the energy through the body, and then we're going to do some breath of fire to just get those vibrations flowing so that we can be that much more productive and effective throughout our day. Sounds good to you? Let's get ready to practice. We're going to start warming the spine with some cat and cows. So find your way into tabletop, knees directly under the hips, hands directly under the shoulders, fingers spread wide. Here we're going to inhale as we drop the belly and look up, and we're going to exhale as we round and gaze towards the navel. Inhale to open the front body, exhale to round the back, waking up the spine, waking up the nervous system, the energetic channels. Remember, it's your practice, so your pace. If you feel like you want to go slow and steady, go slow and steady. If you feel like you want to go a little bit faster, adopt that powerful sniff and throw breath. It's completely up to you. Take a deep inhalation. Fill the lungs, hold the breath, squeeze Mula Bandha, contract the genitals and anus, lift the pelvic floor, lock this energy in. And release, relax, make your way down to sitting. We're going to sit with the legs wide open. Feeling that nice awakening of energy through the body, starting to clear the mind as we naturally raise the energy up. We're going to do life nerve stretch now to wake up the energy channels that run along the legs and all the way up the spine. From sitting, we're going to inhale center, then we're going to exhale down over the left leg, inhale center, exhale down over the right leg. Make sure the feet are flexed, so the back of the leg is engaged. Let's get into it. Again, you don't have to keep my pace. If you want to go slow, gentle, go slow and gentle. This is your break. This is your 5-minute moment to connect with your body, connect with your energy. And every day is a little bit different. Maybe you do this class again tomorrow and you go like a bullet. Maybe you do the next day and you go super slow and steady. There's no right, there's no wrong. Just connect with where you are right now. Inhale to center. Sit nice and tall. Hold the breath. Squeeze Mula Bandha. Contract the genitals. Turn the eyes up to the middle of the forehead. Shambhavi Mudra. Send the energy up, up, up. And then exhale. Make your way forward to the hands, the elbows. For some of you, maybe the forehead on the floor. Go to wherever you're comfortable and just relax here for a moment. Breathe deep. Relax the back of the legs. Relax the hips, the lower back. And feel this beautiful energy flowing through the body after these couple warm-up exercises. Beautiful. Gently come back up. Hands under the knees. Scoop the knees up and come into a cross-legged position. We're going to finish with 1 minute of breath of fire. So fast breathing in and out through the nose, sitting nice and tall, deep inhalation, relaxing exhalation. Turn the eyes up to the middle of the forehead and begin the breath of fire. As you perform the breath of fire, try to feel this pumping really happening from the navel. Keep the eyes turned up and visualize each breath rising your energy, lifting your spirits, expanding your creative potential. And take a deep inhalation. Take as much air as you can. Hold the breath. Squeeze Mulabandha. Contract the perineum. Turn the eyes up. Visualize the energy rising all the way up to the middle of the forehead. Send it up. Send it up. And relax. Release the breath. Sitting with the eyes closed. Attention inside. Feel the awakening of dynamic, creative energy through your body. The rising of your energy and expanding of the mind. Leaving you feeling clear, confident, and ready for the day. Beautiful. Thank you so much for joining me for another one of these power-up sessions. If you enjoyed the practice, please give the video a like and let me know in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next quick 5-minute series. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.